Hello, my dear students of BSc 5th semester. Welcome to physics classes by Sarabdeep Kaur Sidhu. So today we will discuss the topic that is the reciprocal lattice to FCC. So in the previous lectures we have studied the concepts of reciprocal lattice to simple cubic and to body center. Now we will discuss reciprocal lattice to FCC. So first of all, we draw a FCC unit cell. So this is a face centered unit cell. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 atoms are at the corners and 6 atoms are at the faces. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 on the front face and 1 on the back face. Clear? So total 8 corners atoms and 6 atoms are at the faces. So this is a unit cell of FCC. Now to find out the reciprocal, this is in a direct lattice. This is a direct lattice. Now we want a reciprocal lattice to this direct lattice. So first, to find out the reciprocal lattice, we must know the primitive translational vectors of reciprocal lattice that we have derived. A star, B star, C star. These are the primitive translational vectors of reciprocal lattice. Clear? And the values of these are A star general value. A star is equal to B cross C multiplied by 2 pi divided by volume A dot B vector cross C. Here, where A, B, C. What are A, B, C? A, B, C are the primitive translational vectors of direct lattice. Where A, B, C are primitive translational vectors of direct lattice Clear? And similarly B star is equal to 2 pi BC cross A divided by A vector dot B vector cross C vector, and C vector that is equal to 2 pi C cross C means A cross B divided by A vector dot B vector cross C vector. Here if here is a B, here C, A vector dot B cross C that is equal to B dot A cross C, so on. These three combinations are same. Now we have to find out these values A star, B star, C star. To find out A star, B star, C star, we must know A, B, C. And what are A, B, C? They are the primitive translational vectors of direct lattice. So find out these direct lattice. So this, if we take, this is arbitrary origin and draw the axis. This is x-axis, this is y-axis, and this is z-axis. Yeah? And join this to nearby face-centered atoms. So one atom is this, join with this, second atom is this, and third is this, join with this. This is on the back face. So I joined this region, we say this is a region, arbitrary region, and join these to nearby face-centered atoms 1, 2, and 3. Now we have to find out when we want to go to this point or this point, because these are the atoms which are at the faces. Yes. So take on xy take it is C vector, and on yz take it A vector, and on xz plane take it B. Then now we have to find out the coordinates of these. How we can find out the coordinates of these, because they are at the face. So to reach at this or to reach at this, suppose we want to reach at this, this point like this. We want to reach at this point like this. So to reach at this point, the distance moved on x-axis is half, on z-axis is also half. On z-axis is also half, on x-axis it is also half. And the edge length of this cube is a. This is also a, this is also a, this is also, because it is a cubic. So this distance is a by 2 and this distance is also a by 2. So coordinates of then B are half and half. Similarly, coordinates of C, here when we want to go at this point from this, half distance is moved on x-axis and half on y-axis. So and the edge length is a. So the coordinates of this are also a by 2 and a by 2. Clear? And similarly these are also a by 2 and a by 2. A by 2 and a by 2. Clear? But here, see here, on x, z, on or you can say, to find out a, write down first the coordinates of a. Write first the coordinates of a. Coordinates of a are on y and z. So a by 2, yes, j cap plus a by 2 k cap. A by 2 j cap plus a by 2 k cap. Or you can say these are a by 2 is common. J cap plus k cap. J cap plus k cap. Similarly of b is equal to, yes, b, x and z, only x and z. A by 2 common, x I cap plus z k cap. Clear? Similarly c the coordinates, what are the coordinates of c? A by 2, yes, c, between x and y, I plus j. So this is a value of a, this is of b, this is of c, that we want to find out a star. Now our aim is to find out a star. How can you find out a star? First, by knowing BC we have. Then to find out this we have also a vector dot b cross c, and we know the value of b, c and a. When you put the values of a, b, c, you can find out b cross c by using determinant. Here b cross c means determinant I, j, k. Yes, the values of b, a by 2 outside, I cap means 1, j is 0, k is 1. Clear? Then c is a by 2, फिर another a by 2, a square by 4 is outside, I plus j means I 1, 1, 0. Now find out this is b cross c. So b cross c, that is equal to a square by 4, I cap, bracket start, 0 minus 1, then j cap, 1 minus 0 minus, yes, j cap, this goes 0 minus 1 plus k cap is 1 minus 0. So this comes out to be a square by 4 minus I cap, minus plus j cap plus k cap. So this is our b cross c. So this is b cross c and you have a this. When you put the value here, you will find out a vector, and that is a vector dot b vector cross c vector, that is equal to a cube by 4. That comes out to be a cube by 4. That comes out to be, if you solve this putting a by 2 j plus k using dot product, you will get this. Clear? Now we have this denominator and denominator both we have. So put the value, you will find out, and b cross c down, write down the value of b cross c, that is equal to a square by 4 minus I cap plus j cap plus k cap. Clear? So put the value here, you will find out A star. So A star is equal to 2 pi, yes, A square by 4 minus I plus j plus k cap divided by A square by 4 minus I plus j plus k plus k. Oh sorry, this is B cross C. This is only A cube by 4. This is only A cube by 4. A cube by 4. So 4 goes with 4. 1A goes with 1A. So what you get? That is equal to 2 pi upon A minus I plus j plus k. Yeah. So this is our A star. This is our A star. Clear? So this is A star. This is A star. Clear? Now we want to find out B star. So for B star, first of all you want, for B star you want the value. If you put B star here, B star means you want here C cross A. You want here C cross A. So similarly C cross A, and you want then C cross A, then A cross B. That we want for another values, and that comes out to be, when you put the values B cross C, that A square by 4 I minus j. Here is A square by 4 I cap minus j cap plus k cap. It will be, and A cross B, it will be A square by 4 I cap plus j cap minus k cap. And when you put the values for B star, C star, you will get B star is equal to, B star you know 2 pi C cross A divided by A vector dot B cross C vector, and put the values 2 pi C cross A square by 4 I plus I minus j plus k divided by A cube by 4. So 4 goes with 4. So you have 2 pi over A I minus j plus k. So this is our B star. This is our B star. Similarly, you can find out C star. You can write similarly. So C star is also equal to 2 pi over A. 2 pi over A. Yes, that is I plus j minus k. So this is our C star. So this is our C star, that is B star, and this is A star. These are the primitive translational vectors of a reciprocal lattice to FCC that we have to find out. So from this we can conclude that the primitive translational vectors to FCC are the primitive translational vectors of direct lattice. Only the thing which is different is here is 2 pi. Here is 2 pi. Clear? So that are the same. So same in the BCC. In the BCC, the primitive translational vectors of reciprocal lattice are the simple translational vectors or primitive translational vectors of the direct lattice. So you can say that the body centered cubic and FCC, they are reciprocal to. The reciprocal lattices of FCC and BCC are reciprocal to each other. Because at the start we have found out that for FCC the A is, we have write A vector that is equal to A by 2 j plus k, and similarly B vector that is equal to A by 2 I plus k. Similarly C that is equal to A by 2 that is equal to I plus k. We start from these and we have these. Clear? So what is the difference? Difference is only in the BCC, we start from these. Only at that time here is A by 2. Here is A by 2. Here, because they are of direct lattice. And we at the end have that in BCC. Here is only 2 pi by A in BCC. Same reciprocals are here. Here in BCC we start from FCC, we start from BCC, and we get the reciprocal lattice vectors, which are the primitive translation vectors of direct lattice. Only difference is A is in downward direction. In downward. So you can say that the reciprocal lattice to the reciprocal, this is very important question for examination point of view and always comes in exam. Reciprocal lattice to FCC is BCC and vice versa. This is a very important question. Here, so this is the difference between these